Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the pound gain 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Electric car maker VinFast's US initial public offering will be a tough drive. The company, which filed its listing prospectus this week, has yet to turn a profit and only just went all in on battery power. Eurozone inflation may have peaked, but will subside so slowly that it could be years before it gets back to the European Central Bank's 2% target, keeping pressure on the ECB to tighten policy well into 2023. Signature Bank will shrink its deposits tied to cryptocurrencies by $8 billion to $10 billion, signalling a move away from the digital asset industry for the bank that until recently had been one of the most crypto-friendly companies on Wall Street.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 0530 GMT. Australia's exports at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.